distance medley. 1,200, 400, 800, 1,600. Hip number 12, defending champions of Virginia Islands. Hip number 11, Norwood. Hip number 10, Dominic West, number 30, Arizona. Hip number 9, Central. Hip number 8, Lower Roll. Hip number 7, South Carolina. Hip number 6, Lower Roll. Hip number 4, JP McCaskey. Hip number 3, Porter Mercy. Hip number 2, fourth in the world, Center Texas. And hip number 1, Pat Childer. Center Bucksies right behind them. Obviously, anyone's race at this point. All teams within about 15 meters of each other. Going a pretty even pace on this 1,200 leg.
Get around, Kira!
And they are joined by a lot of teams.
Let's go, Kira!
We ask you to turn your attention to the awards stand. For the boys, 4x200 meter relay all-state finishers. Finishing 8th place was Center West West. 7th place, George Washington. 6th place, Ontario. 4th place, Bishop Sherman. 5th place, MOT, New Charter. Finishing in 2nd is Southern Medalist, Dominic West. And your 2026 state champions in 128-17, the half pitch school for bowlers.
Kira, you gotta get the ball!
It's Pink Charter. So we go from the 1,200 to the 400. So these legs will be fast. High Charter and Center Bucks East. Central and third. The 400 champion. Penn Charter. Central. JP McCaskey, upper level in your order.
Yes, sir!
Penn Charter. There's a company from Center Bucks East side now on the right of the back.
Yes, sir! You gotta push!
Penn Charter and Center Bucks East. 442.
Go,
800 lane now on the track. Fastest sprint for the 400 was Norwood. She's scored 58.7.
Yes, Eva!
Number one coming in right here, Penn Charter, they're going to hit number two, they're coming in second. Central in the room, hit number 9, they're currently third. Here are your updated team scores. On the boys' side, 12 of 16 events have been scored.
Yes, Eva!
Four-way tie for fourth. All at 16 points between Kennedy Glen, Legal Area, North Google, and the South Highlands. Griffin County, currently in third with 17 points. Currently in second with 26 points is Episcopal Academy. And currently leading the way through 12 of 16 events is the Haverford School for Boys with 30 points. Just getting 10 points in that 4x2 off the big bid. In the girls' competition, 13 events have been scored. And here in top 5. There's a tie for fifth between Episcopal Academy and Grove City area, both at 18. Cedar Crest has 20 points in the first. Penn Charter 22 points here in third. Kennedy, 24 points currently in second. And JP McCaskey with 31 points leads the way with 13 of 16 events scored. Back to Asha on the track.
Yeah, Isha!
Penn Charter, Center Bucks East. 6:56 on the clock. The 16 relays are on the track. Central in third, South Bend in fourth.
Yeah, Isha!
JP McCaskey and Norman right behind them. Big team points involved in this race. Only one individual outstanding on the girls' side, and that's the high jump. The boys' triple jump having finished.
Go Ellie!
Penn Charter, Center Mounts East. Going 1-2, right there together now.
Yes, Isha!
Penn Charter, Center Mounts East. South Bend back in third, near the green.
Good job, Isha!
In the navy with the 1, my cheerleaders Penn Charter. In the red, right behind them, that's currently second place. In the green, that's third place. Penn Charter, currently in the red. Center Mounts East, currently in second. South Bend in third. Claw their way back a little bit here.
Go Ellie!
Still quite a few athletes remaining in the high jumps. These
Watch
next
out,
couple
Isha!
high jumps
She's
are
on
very,
you!
very
Noisy!
deciding. 800 meters to go. Penn Charter, Center Mounts East, South Bend now within striking distance of them. Halfway through this period. South Bend
Okay, Ellie, reel her in.
not trying to make up that deficit all at once. Could make for an exciting finish.
Good job, Isha!
Fairway forward is taking the record. Set for Turbo 7 with 600 meters to go.
Go Ellie, big finish, Ellie.
Coming around the turn here. We're going to have 2 laps to go to the cross the line. Head Channel, Sonobati, and South Fayette coming together now.
Go,
300 meters to go. We now have 3 teams all together coming up with the bell.